What's up everyone, Satxrn here, back again with another video, and today I will show you my brand new JBL Flip 7 in black. So I got it today and I'm very happy with this purchase. First of all, the sound is very clear and the audio is great and crisp, and also it's very compact and still powerful. The battery life is nice and can handle a full day of use, and also it comes in a very beautiful colors, but I chose black, and it's an upgrade over the JBL Flip 6 from 2021. So this is the 2025 JBL Flip 7 model, so there are very noticeable changes. And also my use case is usually Spotify, YouTube, and maybe using it for phone calls and something like that. And I can bring it with me to beach and also camp, and maybe a picnic or jogging. So it's great speaker outside, and also I can take it inside of the apartment, so it's very easy and nice to bring it from room to room. And the speaker is overall very good in build quality and sound. You can hear some differences from the Flip 7 to the Flip 6, and also I got it for the Auracast feature, because my current JBL Charge 6 in black, which I have in my previous video, also has Auracast, so I can use both speakers at the same time in order to have simultaneously audio. So I'm very happy with this purchase, and it's great for the JBL ecosystem, and I use it with my iPhone 14 Pro and my M3 11-inch iPad Air, and I'm looking forward to use it for years to come, along with my JBL Charge 6, and I'm very happy with this purchase. If you also enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching, guys. I'm very happy with this purchase, and hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment if you enjoyed it and what do you think. So thank you for watching, and peace.